What's up, YouTube? Got the chicken run finished. Chicken and duck run. It's all made of a old deck that was at my father's and mother's. All the boards were 2x10s ripped down. 10 was left over from his new deck that he built. So the only thing I got invested in this is the wire and the hardware to build the door. I got both my ducks in here now. Chickens aren't here yet because they're still a little too small to come outside. It's 9 feet long, about 4 or 5 feet wide. This isn't quite how it'll be sitting yet. It'll actually be sitting the other way, because when we go to build the coop, it'll be attached to the back here. And you see I got all my wire put on tonight. Got it painted yesterday. Put the door on tonight. Got it painted all inside. 2 happy ducks right now. It's second time they've been outside since they were born. Thank you, baby. Here. You gonna put it on there? Good job. Yeah. Like I said, I'll put the exact measurements in the description because I can't remember. We built it a couple days ago. It was kind of just built roughly with all scrap material, like I said, from an old deck. Tins from a build that he did that he had left over. So the main thing I got invested in this is the screen and the hardware for the door. You see my daughter loves the ducks. Okay, keep it shut so they don't get out. Leave it shut.
No.
They're gonna get out. Okay guys, stay tuned. Next we'll be building the coop and then converting the chickens out here. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Leave some comments of what do you want to see on this channel, or what do you want the channel to go to. Got my pups over here. I don't think you've seen them yet. You'll see them in upcoming videos. Okay guys, see you later.